Dep Solutions exterior frame greenhouse kits are a cost-effective option to extend the growing season and flower several times a year. We fabricate our frames in-house using heavy-duty 1 5/8" tubing and stock our warehouse with accessories to accommodate all sizes. We offer both automated and manual light dep options. The end walls of the structure are permanently blacked out, while breathable walls allow for ventilation. Timer-controlled motors roll the blackout cover up and down the exterior of the greenhouse. Similarly, the sidewalls are also manually or automatically adjusted. Controlling the light cycle gives an opportunity to flower in more ideal conditions. We stock everything from 10x20 blackout kits to large commercial projects. Contact us for more information or a complete quote. Thanks.